Hey people, so did you guess? Yes, a little lost in the A40 Somerset. This one's been sat for a while, it's had a bit of work done to it. It's a very solid vehicle. Also has a Marina engine with a Marina 4-speed gearbox. I've got my plans of what I want to do to it. All the bits are there. So I'm going to get it back together. I will do a video in the upcoming days of what's there and what's not. And I will also do a will it run. This is going to be my new daily. I've got every intention of keeping her. I'm just going to put the crusty, rusty touch to her. So stay tuned and let's see what we're going to do. All the plans are in my head. You should know by now what my ideas are going to be. So stay tuned. Let's crack on and get this build on its way. Watch for more videos. Happy days, people, and God bless.